A.B. Anderson Hall has been home to us since I think maybe even the 1950s as a department. So the remodel has been sort of a refreshing of the space, including new HVAC, new lighting. It's just like going from almost nothing to something, and that's something that we caught. If you get to see it, it's just really beautiful. It's a great space.
The most important interaction that we see are the students who sort of made claim to the public spaces, who identify it as a place where they can really thrive and work between classes.
I come out of my classroom and I see at least two faces that I know, and we chat and we complain about schoolwork or talk about our days, and it's really like fostering a community feeling that I haven't experienced elsewhere on campus.
The other thing that's really evident is the happiness of the instructors, our faculty, who are really pleased to have a space that is updated, that allows them to really focus on the assignments and on the students rather than some of the other things that were always kind of a challenge.
The office space that you see here is really nice also. Everybody has brand new furniture, and it's very inviting for the students.
The drawing studio allows us to actually have students use fixative in place. We have a new ventilation system. It's a really important renovation because it really speaks to the health and safety of our students and also to the kind of work that we're having them do. We are counting down the moments until we can move back into the first floor, because the first floor is the second phase of the A.B. Anderson work, and these are our really technical spaces. A lift has been installed so that makes the whole space accessible, as well as updating health and safety, which when you are running a welding cage, a kiln, doing all of this work is really a priority to have air conditioning and also fire and life safety.
As faculty member and as department head, I feel very energized to be back in this space.
There's a good 24, thanks to a good 23.
This whole building, I would argue, is a phatic success. Phatic communication just means, well, is another term for small talk. And so all those little interactions where that small talk happens are big, big things to the health and well-being of a community, whether it be faculty or students.
Sometimes I think the arts feel like we're not going to be invested in, and that hasn't been true. The advocacy that allowed this project to go forward at all levels of the university and outside of it reminds us that the arts are really at the heart of some of the things that we do on campus, and I think the students sense that investment is really important.